Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by ensuring the instrument and environment are ready. Remove nearby metal and hold the Brunton level. Once done, open the lid to 90 degrees, set the siding mirror and align the siding notch. Make sure you know local magnetic declination and note it. This prevents systematic azimuth error. Align the compass housing so the orienting arrow points forward. Now you're positioned to take your first bearing. Move deliberately. Speed causes tilt and reading errors. You now take the actual bearing. Raise the Brunton to eye level and use the mirror and notch to precisely sight the target. While holding the sight, check the level bubble and adjust until centered. This reduces parallax and tilt error. Then rotate the azimuth bezel so the magnetic needle sits squarely within the orienting arrow. Make a mental or written note of the numeric bearing and convert for declination if needed. Practice this sequence to speed up and keep accuracy consistent. To finish, convert the magnetic reading to a true bearing by applying declination. Add or subtract the known degrees depending on your location. Once converted, plot the bearing on your map from a known point using a protractor or employ a back bearing to confirm direction. If results disagree, troubleshoot. Step away from vehicles or radio, re-level the Brunton, and retake the siding. One key tip: if the needle hops or sticks, tap the housing gently. Then repeat the procedure to verify.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.